Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
If you don't have exposure to the world's most essential minerals in your portfolio right now, this is the time to get started. I'm telling you, this is a huge opportunity. My name's David Modell. This is Looking at the Markets. I've spoken about this company before, Vox Royalty Corp, and I'm going to keep on talking about them because there's a huge opportunity. Inflation is high. It's going to stay persistently elevated for a long time, in my opinion, and in many experts' opinions. And this means that there's a commodities super cycle that's just getting started and a shortage of essential minerals throughout the world. Yes, gold and silver, but also iron ore. And that's why this press release, which I just got in my inbox, is so important, and I want to share it with you right now. So what happened exactly? Well, Vox Royalty Corp, which has a royalty business model which provides de-risked exposure to mineral assets in different geographies, and so there's instant diversification if you invest in this company. They just sent in my inbox not just one, but really two announcements. First of all, Vox Royalty Corp 2022 revenue guidance. They're pleased to share revenue guidance of Canadian $10 million to $12 million for 2022, more than double of the company's 2021 realized revenues, reflecting the ongoing embedded growth in Vox's royalty portfolio. That's already quite huge. I'm optimistic about this company, and now I'm even more confident in Vox Royalty Corp. And by the way, if you want to get this press release and others, go to voxroyalty.com. Link is in the description below this video. And the huge news that I also want to tell you about today is a new royalty acquisition. Vox Royalty Corp has acquired a producing royalty over the Wonmunna iron ore mine in Western Australia. Wow. So here it is, a producing iron ore royalty in Western Australia acquired by Vox Royalty. This is fresh news. Royalty covering a long life resource, Tier 1 operator, permitted and installed capacity, huge growth capital, and installation of 20-year life, 2.1 megawatt solar array and battery currently underway. Prime location, and here is a map proving it. Long life, expandable mine adjacent to major BHP and Rio Tinto operations. You might know that Rio Tinto is a huge miner in the iron ore sector. And check out the map. Okay, here's Wonmunna, which now Vox Royalty has acquired. And here are assets, interests with BHP here, and then interests with Rio Tinto here and here and here. So it's nearby these mines. And so if Rio Tinto and BHP are leveraging, they're deploying in the adjacent properties, you know this is probably going to be really huge really soon. I'm looking forward to this. The opportunities here, but you can only capitalize on this if you are invested early. You don't want to wait because you might end up regretting it later on if you didn't get in early. So here are the specs. Wonmunna mine located in the world's largest Palabra iron ore export hub, located very close to major iron ore mines operated by BHP and Rio Tinto. It's located very close to Datura Royalty's flagship mining Area C royalty area. Long life iron ore inferred and indicated resources, and plus 12,000 meter drilling program already ongoing to expand the current resource. So this is already a producing mine. This is not just speculation. This is actually ongoing right now. So what are you going to do about it? How are you going to capitalize on this opportunity? Well, the first place to start is voxroyalty.com. Link is in the description below this video. Vox Royalty is a precious metals royalty company, but as you can see, they also have interests in high conviction iron ore asset here. So it's not just precious metals, it's also essential minerals, different types. So you can get that instant diversification geographically and in terms of the types of assets that you'll be invested in. It is over 50 royalties and streams spanning 8 jurisdictions in their portfolio. The company was established back in 2014. This is not a newcomer. This is a highly respected and established royalty company. On the TSXV exchange, the stock ticker symbol is VOX. In the US, it is VOXCF. What you want to do is ask your broker, see if they have this stock, either the Canadian version or the US version. Probably they do, but you can check with them, and also visit the website, look at the latest news. I just read to you, but you can check it out for yourself. Vox acquiring producing Wanmuna Royalty in Western Australia, but also Vox Royalty announces record quarterly results in 2022's first quarter, and they also provided development and exploration updates. Full transparency, the latest news is all positive, nothing negative that I see here. Check out their corporate presentation, learn all about the company, and then when you're ready, check out the stock. It's probably going to be a blockbuster, I believe it. So start with voxroyalty.com and then move on to the stock, VOX and VOXCF, when you're ready. Huge announcement. I wanted to get this to you first. I like being first with the fresh news. Huge acquisition, a game changer in my opinion. I think this is going to be monumental for 2022 and for the coming years. I'm going to keep on bringing you these opportunities in the markets. I want to thank you for watching and listening. Thank you so much.